Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Uber payment method, ride settings step by step clearly. Open the Uber app on your phone and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Check that you have a stable internet connection so the payment menu loads properly. Tap the account icon at the bottom right of the screen. On the account page, look for the wallet option and tap it. In Wallet, find the Payments or Payment Methods section on the screen. Review the list of saved cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or other payment options. Tap Add Payment Method to add a new card or a new payment option. Choose credit or debit card if you want to enter a new card manually. Type your card number carefully exactly as it appears on the card. Enter the expiration date and the CVV security code in the required fields. Confirm the billing address details if Uber asks for your zip or postal code. Tap Save to store the new payment method in your Uber wallet. Go back to the payment methods list and confirm the new method appears there. To change the default payment for rides, tap the payment method you want to use. If you see an option like Set as Default, select it to make it your main payment. Now return to the main screen by tapping the back arrow until you see the map. Tap Account again to access settings related to your ride preferences. Open Settings and look for a section such as Ride Preferences or Ride Settings. Inside Ride Settings, check for any payment-related preference linked to your ride profile. If there is a default payment option shown, select the new payment method there as well. If you are using Uber Cash, decide whether to keep it on or turn it off for automatic use. If you want to remove an old card, tap the old payment method to open its details. Select Remove or Delete Payment Method, then confirm when prompted. Keep at least one valid payment method saved so you can request rides without errors. To test the update, request a short ride or check the payment selection on the request screen. Before confirming the ride, verify the payment method shown at the bottom is the one you want. If the app does not update, close Uber completely and reopen it, then check Wallet again. If it still fails, update the Uber app from the App Store or Google Play and try once more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.